This is one simple tip on how to appreciate beers more. Stop drinking lagers. Just the blandest of bland. You took your an old sponge and you just put it in the water, forgot about it, and then you took it out and then you drank it. That's what a lager tastes like. No wonder you don't like beer. I'm not saying lagers are totally bad. They're fine. They're just there. When I was younger, I didn't really have a lot of access to different styles of beer. There was a lot of Bud Light, Coors Light, Natty Light, a lot of light beer. And I thought all beer tastes like this. And again, they're pretty cheap, so that's why you see them at parties all the time. And like, yeah, I could get a buzz off of it, but like only after like 3-4 beers. And by that time, like I have to pee so bad. Might as well just drink like a rum cocktail, which is why honestly I got into rum and whiskey, because just a lot less liquid to feel the same buzz. And I'd much rather have something sweet than, again, just pool water. And beer really didn't click with me until I went to Germany, where beer is literally cheaper than water. And it shocked me. Like these flavors just danced all over my tongue. It's sweet and flavorful, all mixing and swirling together. And it kind of just unlocked this like, oh my gosh, like beer doesn't have to taste like pool water. It could be in, kind of a fruity way, and it can be in a light way, and it can be in a caramely, malty, citrus, and just so many avenues it can go. It doesn't just have to be Bud Light. Had it not been for me trying German beer, I probably would still be stuck drinking rum, which is not the worst thing in the world, but I love having beer as another option. And I think truly we've been missing out, and beer's been kind of getting this like, stereotype, at the bar, beer tastes this way. Beer can taste like so many different things. I just want to encourage you to just try them all. So what about you? Have you been turned off by lagers and you ended up going in this whiskey, rum, vodka, mixed cocktails as I did? And if so, I definitely would recommend getting either a German beer or going into like the sours direction to re-bring yourself into beer, because lagers gave beer a bad name and there's so much more potential.